Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the calculation for the condition for maxima and minima, that is constructive and destructive interference, when the amplitude of the constituent waves is same, right? So we have taken two waves. For first wave the equation is suppose a cos omega t. For second wave it is a cos omega t plus phi. The amplitudes are same but there is a constant phase difference which is a required condition for interference. So by principle of superposition what will happen? Y is equal to y1 plus y2. So let's add this. Right. So from here we can apply the formula of cos A plus cos B. So the formula is cos A plus B plus cos B is equal to 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Right. This is what we are going to use. Let's consider this as A and this part as B. So how will we write? Y is equal to A as it is 2 cos omega t plus phi. This is B upon 2 cos A plus B upon 2 into cos A minus B upon 2. Right? Let's solve it. This will be, and cos minus theta is plus cos theta, so this will be cos phi upon 2 and this will be 2a cos omega t plus phi upon 2, right? And we know that the time independent term is called as amplitude. So this is 2a cos phi upon 2 and cos omega t plus phi upon 2. So which one is time independent? This term is time independent. Is equal to amplitude of resultant. This is represented by capital A over here. So we can write down therefore amplitude of the resultant is 2a cos phi upon 2, right? And we also know that the intensity is equal to amplitude whole square. So therefore I is equal to 2a cos phi upon 2 whole square. This gives us 4a square cos square phi upon 2, right? And intensity of the individual waves will be a square because a is the amplitude of the individual wave. So right, so you can say that this is I of resultant is 4 times of this. If I represent this by I naught, right? 4 times of I naught cos square phi by 2. Now for maxima, this intensity of the resultant must be maximum. So we can mention it. One must be maximum for maxima or constructive interference. Right? And it must be minimum for minima or destructive interference. Right? So therefore, we can write the condition for maxima, that is constructive interference. This will be written as cos square phi by 2 must be 1. So therefore, phi is equal to plus minus where n is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on, right? So therefore, phi is equal to 0 plus minus 2 pi plus minus 4 pi, etc. Right? And second, and in that case, the intensity will be maximum, that is 4 I naught. This is maximum intensity, right? And second is the condition for minima, that is destructive interference. For that, cos square phi by 2 must be 0. Therefore, phi must be equal to plus minus pi plus minus 3 pi plus minus 5 pi and so on. What does that mean? N plus 1 by 2 into 2 pi. This is in plus minus. Right? So this is the condition for in terms of the phase difference. For path difference, in terms of path difference, we know that 2 pi is equivalent to lambda. So we can write down plus minus and lambda for maxima. And here the path difference is plus minus and plus 1 by 2 lambda, right? Where here also n is equal to n is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. So this was the analytical solution for condition for maxima and minima when the amplitudes of the constituent waves is same. So this is all for now. Have a nice day.